In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox Studio. So Roblox Studio is different from the Roblox game, as Roblox Studio lets you create your own games and experiences. So to go and install this, we just need to head over to the official Roblox website and then click on Create in the top navigation. Now hover over Learn in this top window and select Create. Now scroll down and click on this link here, Get Studio, and here you'll find all of the system requirements in order to go and run Roblox Studio. So providing that you meet these requirements, scroll down to the installation and click on Download Studio. Now click on Open Roblox, and that should begin downloading the Roblox Studio app. Now if it doesn't work straight away, you can always cancel out of this pop-up here, and you can just click on Download Studio, and that's going to download the installer onto your computer. So what you can do from here is go and open up the Roblox Studio installer, and that's going to start installing and downloading to your computer. Once it has finished installing, you can just open up the Start menu, go and search for Roblox Studio, and then you can just open up the application directly from your Start menu. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.